Do you want to set up your business on Google Maps? You're in the right video. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. First, search for Google Business. Here, enter your business name. Next, choose the type of business you have. In my case, I'll select a local business. Then select your business category, for example, a clothing store, a hotel, etc. Now enter your business address. If the address or name matches existing businesses, you'll have the option to select one. However, this only works if it's actually your business, as you'll need access to claim it. In my case, none of these are my business, so I'll choose the option to create a new one. Next, provide the exact location of your business as accurately as possible. Here, you can add a contact method for customers, such as a phone number or website. Now you'll be asked to verify your business. In my case, I'll skip this step. Then, set up your business hours by selecting the days and times your business is open. For example, if your business is open on Mondays, check the corresponding box. Enter the opening time and the closing time. You can also upload images of your business. I'll skip this part, but you can do it if you want. If you haven't verified your business yet, you'll need to do so for it to appear on Google Maps for customers. Simply click on Get Verified and complete the verification process. And that's it. If this video helped you, subscribe and leave a like. Thanks.